Hi, I'm Matthew. Here we are, beautiful Southern Illinois. Those cicadas, they love it this time of the year. Well, here I am out on the deck by the pool, trying to enjoy the beautiful weather, and I decided it's time for another unboxing video. This one is from the Razor Emporium. Now, I'm not going to say it, but I'll tell you here in a second. I'm going to be using one of these little emergency card all-in-one tools. They're kind of cool, but they're really not not really useful. I mean, if you're stranded somewhere and you pull this out of your pocket, do you really need a bottle opener? If you're going to cut through a limb with the saw, Lord help you, you'll probably cut your finger off. But it is nice for slipping through packages. I will give it that. It's just kind of a neat little thing to try out. But what I started to say was, I actually had this razor once before, and I got rid of it. It just wasn't for me. And I thought, well, some time had went by. I'm gonna try it again. So here it is, the Rex Ambassador. Comes in this nice little, and this is the newer version of the box. I had the other version, but it's got a nice little presentation to it. The one thing I kind of thought about this razor originally, let's see if I can get up close without knocking the camera over, is I just wasn't real fond of the sharper edge here. I like it to be rounded a little bit more. But I know there's been some couple different variations or changes, so maybe since I've had this other one, maybe this one, will have a little bit of a correction in it. I don't know. I haven't done a whole lot of researching to try to find what has changed in all the different versions, but the one thing that I do love about this razor is it feels really nice in the hand. I like that knurling on there. The adjustment knob, beautiful, nice and smooth. I mean, you can tell there's been a lot of thought put into machining this and some tender love and care. So, I mean, it's definitely feels really nice. Let's do a shave with it later this week. What do you think? Well, thanks again for staying tuned for another unboxing video. I hope you guys have a good week.